Welcome to the Vintage Coach Trigger Snap Key Fob Tour. So the style number for this key fob is 7212, as you can see here, and the color's British Tan. And this particular one is actually still new with tags or old stock, so I'll go ahead and unbox it now so you can see what it looks like. So it comes, it's unused, and it's got a Coach cartouche stamp, and it's brass hardware, as you can see. Here's what the back looks like, and it's still got the little sales tag on it. Looks like it was only $24 back in the 90s. And it's got this little message on the back. And this one does have a little indent here from this attachment here. I think probably pressed in over the years on this leather and made a slight indent, but it's barely noticeable. So that's what the key fob looks like, and then I'm gonna demonstrate how you would use it. So I've got this nice British Tan Logan bag view here, and then you would actually take the key fob and you would attach whatever you want to right here on the key ring, and then you could just attach it to the hardware on whatever bag you want to use it on. And then, as you can see, it matches pretty well with the British Tan. And then as I mentioned, this is a Logan bag in British Tan. If you want to look at this bag specifically, I still have this one available. I had another Logan bag that already sold, but if you're interested in seeing more of this one, I'll link it below in the description as well. But anyway, this is how it'll look in use, or something similar to this, depending on whichever bag you want to use it with. And then also, real fast, it does come with this little sales pamphlet inside, which is kind of cool. So it comes with the original paperwork and the tag attached. So that's about it for this key fob. I'll go ahead and of course link the Etsy listing below if you were interested in looking at it further, but that's about it. So thank you so much for watching.